Hi everyone, and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Penny, and this is Penny's Coding Bits. This channel is dedicated to bring you weekly bite-sized videos with practical solutions to your everyday data analytical challenges. And this video is going to walk you through how to create a simple Web3 code in Remix. And Web3, as we all know it, is the transactions of blockchain currency. And Web3 codes are the terms of the agreements for those blockchain contracts. And here we have this Remix platform that is easy to access, that can host all kinds of blockchain contracts in this environment. And all you need to do is to go to your Google search bar and punch in Remix, and you should see Remix Ethereum IDE. And as soon as you click on it, you are ready to code. And now I already have my Hello World file, but if you haven't already started one, you could go to New File and fill in your file with this code. But make sure you have the SOL at the end. So let's have a walk through this code first. So Pragma Solidity 080 is essentially the compiler version of Solidity, which is the most commonly used language for Web3 coding. And that is mainly to make sure that there's no compatibility problems that prevents this code from running. And next, we could start our Hello World contract. And what this contract contains is a public message of the data type string. So string is the data type for most text-based information, and public is just making this message easily accessible. And next, we are saying that the constructor for this contract is payable, and the message is equal to hello world. And we also have an update message function. So what this does, it basically takes the message that we have defined and replace it with a new message when the user presses update message. And we'll see this later. So first, we could compile, and once you hit compile, you can see that there is a green check mark here, and this hello world contract is being compiled. And once you have it compiled, you are ready to deploy it. And here, once we make sure all the settings are correct, we can hit deploy. And you can see the contract that's being deployed being listed in the deploy contracts list. And here we can see the update message button that takes the update message function and replace the message hello world with a new message that you enter in this field. So we could say, first of all, we could see that the message is hello world right now, right? So the decoded output is hello world. And we could say, welcome to Web3, and hit update message. And we could view the message again. And this time we can see that the decoded output is being updated to welcome to Web3. So that is a very quick and dirty, simple introduction to Web3 development. And this took me a long time to get started because I always thought that I wasn't capable enough to get started on Web3 development, but it's this easy. So for those of you who are out there who are thinking about getting into Web3, get started now. It's so easy to get started. And while you're in the door, you can keep on developing. And maybe in the very near future, you can come up with a more complicated contract. So I'll see you in the next video.